Hi, this is Utsav Taladi, and today I am going to show you how to remove optional feature from your Windows 10. Let's get started. First of all, click on Start menu, then click on Setting, and here you can see that apps. So click on it. In the apps and feature section, go to optional feature. Here you can see that so many optional features are pre-installed on your PC. If you want to uninstall one of them, just click on it and then click on uninstall button. So I want to uninstall wireless display, so I am clicking on it and then click on the uninstall button. Yes, here you can see that wireless display is successfully uninstalled from my PC. If you like my video, then please share it, subscribe it, and keep supporting. Thank you.